We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1966 Pontiac GTO. Upgraded 455, forged internals, tri-power, sourced from a 389 tri-power, ground pounding, Muncie 4-speed, power brakes, disc, power steering. Just a great running and driving car. Everything is working and performing correctly on the car. Just a nice car. We're at Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. All the chrome, trim, bright work is extremely nice on this car. Rally 1 wheels, red lines, bucket seat, center console, Hurst shifter, factory radio works. I mean, this is a nice car. Red paint's like a mirror. Great running and driving car. All the chrome, the trim, the bright work is nice on it. See the side view mirrors. Corner windows are in fantastic shape. Usually they're kind of the weak point on it. Package tray, deck lid. It's nice. These are Coker red lines. Look at the chrome on that. Nice. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. We're located in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. If you want to fly in, we'll be more than happy to pick you up from the airport. Just forward us your flight itinerary. Take you to any one of our 3 warehouses full of classic cars. Take you out on a ride. Take it for a drive. Put up on a lift. Make sure it's a good fit. Even the center console rear lights working. Just a great car. Matching spare with jack. And all the chrome, the trim, the bright work is in really good shape. The car was restored, was repainted in 2025. Put new interior in it. But yeah, it's a great running and driving car. Muncie 4-speed, power disc brakes, power steering. Like I said, all the chrome and trim is really nice in this car. 314-346-6039. It's 314-346-6039. Yeah, my name is Mark. Power emergency brake works. There's our gauges down there. Oil pressure.
Story. Preserving those voices, faces,
Factory
and
radio
moments.
works. They're pretty cool. Heater works, defrost works. No AC car, but all the windows in. Set all the blinkers, lights, wipers, all that. All functioning. And we have great financing on these cars, usually 10% down, It's king. You're driving. Great rates, great terms. We can assist with getting the vehicle anywhere in the world as a courtesy service. Barely get on this thing and it responds. You gotta love the red and black color combo. Okay, pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. It's 314-346-6039. It's a real deal GTO. 389 is upgraded to a 455 forged